Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to monetize your YouTube channel. With over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, YouTube offers a vast audience and numerous ways to turn your content into cash. Let's dive in. First and foremost is the YouTube Partner Program. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply. This allows you to earn money from ads shown on your videos. Once you're part of the YPP and have more than 30,000 subscribers, you can offer channel memberships. Members pay a monthly fee in exchange for badges, emojis, and access to exclusive content. Engage with your live chat audience through Super Chat. Viewers can purchase highlighted messages, ensuring their comments stand out. Super Stickers are fun, animated graphics that fans can buy during live streams. If a YouTube Premium subscriber watches your content, you earn a share of their subscription fee, even if they watch without ads. With over 10,000 subscribers, you can showcase your official merchandise right on YouTube. This is a great way to promote your brand and earn extra income. Brands may approach you to promote their products or services. Always disclose sponsorships to maintain transparency with your audience. Promote products in your videos and use affiliate links in the description. When viewers purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Platforms like Patreon allow your fans to support you directly. Offer exclusive content or perks to your patrons. If your video goes viral, media outlets might want to use it. License your content to earn money from its distribution. Share your expertise by creating online courses or hosting workshops. Promote them on your channel to attract potential students. Monetizing on YouTube requires dedication and strategy. Focus on creating quality content, engage with your audience, and explore multiple revenue streams. Remember, every creator's journey is unique. Stay patient, stay passionate, and success will follow.